today I'm gonna be doing my makeup, like showing you how I do my makeup. So fucking people. So first of all, you want to go in with the moisturizer. Because you want to make sure the skin is moisturized, because I don't know, it somehow looks better. Tonight, I'm gonna drink my tears and cry, 'cause I know you love me, baby. I know you love me, baby. So my things, like, here's something, just going through my bag, because the last time I took some stuff with me, I forgot the blending sponge. A second. I came back from dinner here, so then I'm gonna go in with the primer. Why the fuck do I look so much bigger on the camera? I don't look big at all on the mirror. So I'm gonna just tap it in. So I'm gonna be looking just like a little bit orange, because I don't have my usual fake tan on. So yeah, I know the foundation is not my shade, because I use fake tanner, and oh my gosh. And so I use fake tanner, and it gets me a little couple of shades darker. And I do not put self tanner on my fucking face, because I don't want to get even more pimples. But I use this dollar store foundation, because I don't have any fucking money. And so I will go in with the foundation with it. And I'm just gonna go in some water. I don't know if it's water. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's water. I don't know what it is. And I'm just gonna go like this. You need to get in on your as it's called, neck too, because I don't know why, just because my mom told me so. Ow. And so next I will be going with the contour, cream contour, because I ran out of powder one. So I'm just gonna like this, because if you have fat face, it should like make it snatched or something. I don't know. I just like saw it and did it ever since. And blend it out. So yeah, oh. And now something 2016 didn't use is a blush. I use cream blush. I still have powder one, but I don't like it. Just like, and just blend it out. And then concealer, like I usually like. Yeah, I'm so much darker in the IRL, because I don't know why my web camera does this shit where it lightens me so much. I don't know. Yeah. And so like blend this shit out. And just so you know, I learned how to like do my makeup myself. Like, I'm not a professional, so I can promise that it looks good, but that's just how I make it, how I do it. And then this is my powder. So yeah, it's kinda orangey in real life, but that's how I want it to be. So like, you just like, it also smells like a grandma, and so you like do it for your whole fucking face. And then this was my contouring pad, but it died. Like, I used it all up, almost all up. I just don't know if I can use this anymore. And highlighter, and I just like highlight my whole face. I want to be like, oh my gosh, girl, is that your face or is it star? Both, girl. And so you're done with the base. Good job. And then I just prefer to, because my eyebrows are so fucking thin, I just like prefer to go in with the black pencil. And just like, did it do anything? I don't know. But I just do that. Oh my gosh. Ow! And so I'm gonna show you like how I do like my eyeliner look. So I'm just gonna go in like this basically. No, I don't give a shit if it's messy. And the second eye. You're just my style, good red lipstick, you don't smile. You're so creepy. Yeah, so just like let it dry and do the black eye pencil for the waterline. I know it's not good for you, I don't give a shit. Yeah. And then going with mascara. I use size up mascara. No where it's from. Oh, it's from Sephora. So yeah. I don't feel like doing like fake lashes. I have all these problems with them, so I won't gonna use them today. Just thick layer of mascara. Always do the bottom lashes too. And not the lips. So I use Art Visage lip liner in the shade 53. Just like this lip line shit. And my favorite lipstick, I got it from Wildberries. It's Russian. You have to be Russian to get it. I'm sorry, my American friends. So win for Russians today. It's Nice view lipstick in the shade 67. 67. 67. Yeah. I fucking hate myself. And so like I go in with this lipstick. Look how fucking white it is. I love it. And then I'm gonna go with lip gloss, Ideal Lip Gloss by Stellary. Oh, and that's basically it. Yeah, so excuse the absolute mess of my hair. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye. The lipstick smells so good, by the way. So yeah, bye bye.